Hey guys, this is Andy Kamation with Bendmak USA. Just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the CY90 series of plate rolls. These machines are available in a variety of different sizes, but this particular machine that we're looking at is a 4-foot by 12 gauge pre-bending capacity machine, and we have 11 gauge rolling capacity with a 3.54 inch diameter top roll. We got a minimum bending diameter of 5.12 inches with a 1.5 horsepower motor drive. To give you just a quick introduction to the machine, how to operate it, how to set it up, and how we bring it in here into the U.S. market with a few options that really help our users out. So on this series of plate roll, this is an initial pinch style plate roll. You can always tell an initial pinch style plate roll by two rolls that are on top of each other, followed by one roll in the back that moves laterally up towards the pinch position of the rolls. This is our bending roll. Simple design, very popular. A lot of shops prefer this design for the smaller machines, and we have plenty of them available. On the CY series, we bring these machines in with a couple of options that we include as standard on the machines here. One of those is the body covers. You see the blue covers on the bottom. That's just aesthetically pleasing, and it's a little bit safer, so we keep the operator out from underneath the machine or material from falling underneath it. Another thing that we incorporate on the machine, or we bring on it, is the standard digital readout. So here we have a scale that's going to measure our bending roll as it moves back and forth into bending position. That scale is going to keep a count of the position of that bending roll to help you if you're running more automation, trying to get back to the same position again and again. The digital readout is displayed right here on the control panel, and it just shows us the position of that rear roll. And in this case, it's at 25, which is the millimeter position. I'll give you a real quick introduction on how this machine operates.
Go.
For an example on this process, I'm just going to use a sheet of paper and just show you very basically how this machine works. We're just going to slide our material in. Prior to doing that, we will have brought the back roll, the bending roll, all the way forward, all the way up into position. We can just do that by pressing the button here. One of the options that's on this machine that we provide as standard to our market is the powered back roll, and that allows us to drive that back roll into that position. So we would bring the material in using the back roll as a squaring gauge. And once that material is square, we're going to use the hand wheel to clamp this material in position. So this brings our lower roll up and locks our material in position. At that point, I would lower the back roll down to a position that is suitable for pre-bending the material that I've got in my machine. As you can see on the pedestal, I've got not only the buttons to move the back roll, the bending roll forward and backwards, but I've got a series of foot pedals down on the bottom. These will control the rolling motion forward and backwards. So in this case, I'll bring the rolls, I'll feed my material into the position that I want for pre-bending, and then I'll go ahead and bring this back roll back up, looking at my digital readout, and pre-bend my material to the position that I want. This isn't not an exact science, but you're going to bring it up to an approximate position of the radius that you want to bend. Now on an initial pinch machine, you'll pre-bend one side, you'll stop, you'll reverse the material, put it back in the other direction, and do the same operation to pre-bend the second side. Assuming I've done that already, the next step would be to position the roll to what we would know as bending position, and then just advance your material forward. By doing this operation, I now have a radius created in the material. Of course, this sheet doesn't give me the turn or the curve that I want, but in this case, I would now use a radius gauge to check my radius, make adjustments on the bending roll to the position that I need, and continue to roll to get the correct part. When I'm done rolling, I just simply reverse the clamping roll, dropping the lower roll down, and that allows me to remove my material. Now in most cases you'll have a cylinder and you'll just simply swing the top roll out to remove the roll. And that's it for the CY90 series of initial pinch plate rolls.